Studies Link Academy. For today, we're going to be drawing the orthographic projection of this figure, as you can see in front of you. If you have not watched the video on how to construct this figure, you can actually check the link below on the video description and learn how to draw this figure. Now, let's draw out the orthographic projection on this figure. Before I do that, let me show you how the orthographic of this stuff will look like. Alright, this is what we'll be seeing, right? If I'm told to draw the graphic, right? What I'll be seeing on the plan, right? Elevation here, and this end view, or you call it side view. Now, if I want to draw the orthographic of this stuff, what do I do first? Our first task is that to draw any orthographic, you need to draw out what your orthographic axis, right? Right. So I'll take this straight line this way. So I'll take my T-square, right? I'll draw horizontal line this way, right? So with the help of my meter rule, I'll measure out 10 of a house. My compass, I'll measure 10 from here to here. It's 10. That's 1 centimeter. Mark up here, mark here, mark down, and mark right this way. So with that, I will take my set square. I'll draw a vertical line this way at this point here, vertical line this way. Also at this point here, vertical line downwards this way. I have this. With that of my set square, T-square rather, I'll draw this way. I'll draw the horizontal line this way. So this is what we called, or this is what I refer to as what the orthographic axis, right? So now what do we do? How do we establish it? If you observe closely, this figure is facing this way, right? So hence, my first task is that from the diagram, as you can see the figure at the right hand side of the screen, I'm told that my elevation, wherever your arrow is facing is elevation, and the arrow is facing this point here, this section here, right? My arrow is facing this point here, so this one is my what? Elevation. So observe, it's facing this way. So hence, from here to here, from my diagram, as you can see, is what there. This is 20, right? This is 20. So I'll measure out 20 at this point. 20 from here to here, 20, and it's ticking. Also, from here to here is given to be 60. I'll measure 60 out there, 60. From here to here is 60, which I have to be this. Also, here to here is going to be 30, right? So measure 30 upward. So with that on my meter rule, measure out 30 upwards, right? So from here to here is 30. To this point is 30, right? If you observe closely, there is an height of 10, right? From here to here is actually from here to here, which is 20. I measure out 20 from here to here is 20. I have this, right? That's a 20. At that point, there's a height of 10. At this point, height of 10. So I measure 10, which is 1 centimeter, which is this, right? So I will close the two parts together to touch each other this way. I have this. Alright, my next task is that if you observe, there's what? A distance of what the 15. Yeah, 15. So measure 15 from here to here is 15, which is this, right? Also 15 at this point here. 15 is there somewhere here. So I'll make sure those 2 points touch each other. The faint line inward, and I'll take this, touch that faint line this way. Also, I will close this part up this way. I have this, right? So this is what I've actually seen this way from my elevation. So this is our elevation. Let's discuss for the plan. The plan is under the word the elevation, because I'm told to use first angle projection. So I'll draw this downward. I'll draw this downward. I'll draw this one too downward this way. So I have all this, right? So I'm told to draw the plan. So how do I start from? If you observe closely, from year to year is simply from year to year, which is actually ticking. So I'll tick in that. Sorry, I'll tick in from year to year. Observe, not from year, it's from year down here. I'll tick in it. As you can see, there's an a distance from year to year, which is from year to year, is given to be 15. Right? So measure of 15. So 15, 1.5 to this point is 15. I have this. Also connect this point here to this. You can see that. Connect this point here to this. So you can see what I'm doing. If you observe closely, the distance of 30, right, from year to year is 30. I'm taking it. So with the help of 30, I'll link this one to this. Have this and also close this up. I'll close this up. This I have this, right? My next task is that if you observe closely, there is a distance here but not stated. So I'll take my compass this way. I will extend it downward this way. So I'll close it up here at this section. Hence, I can now close it back here this way. So I have what you're seeing here to be this. This is my my plan, right? So let's draw the side view. I will extend it this way. Extend all the edges this way, right? All the edges this way. So with the help of my 45-degree set square, I'll place at this center here and then extend it downwards this way. So having done with this, I will take my set square. I will take each edge upward here, upward. Next up, this edge here, upward. Next up, this edge upward, right? Also, I will take this edge here, inward this way. I'll take this one too. All the edges inward. Also, I'll take this inward this way. Right? With the help of this plan, my side view will produce out itself. Now observe. From this point here to this point is taking it from year to year, which is this. Also, if you observe, the base year to year is taken, which is year to year, right? Also, the height year to year is taken, and also year to year is also taken, which I've done to be this. Alright, if you observe closely, I will take in this part year to year, also close down to I'll close this point together this way. So we have successfully drawn out the orthographic projection of this figure. If you found this class helpful, do not forget to click on the subscription button and like. Thank you. Welcome to Wise Link Academy. Thanks for watching.